The 2027 Mazda CX-30 is about to solve every single complaint that's been holding this subcompact crossover back from absolute dominance in the segment. If you've been frustrated by crossovers that force you to choose between performance and comfort or between style and practicality, the CX-30 is about to change your mind. While most competitors in this class keep making the same compromises year after year, Mazda listened to real owners and fixed everything. Performance and reliability. Here's something you won't hear often these days. Mazda is probably the only car maker in this segment that refuses to compromise on powertrain fundamentals. While competitors chase headlines with complex hybrid systems and turbocharged 3-cylinders, the CX-30 sticks with what actually works. The lineup centers on two battle-tested engines. Base models get a 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated inline-4 delivering 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. In practice, this engine moves the CX-30 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 8.5 seconds. Most rivals with their downsized turbos struggle to break 10 seconds. For those wanting more punch, the turbocharged variant produces 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in about 5.5 seconds, making it faster than the Golf GTI and most other hot hatches on the market. Nobody wants to spend weekends at the dealership dealing with check engine lights and warranty claims. Both engines are proven, reliable units that have been powering Mazdas for years without major issues. There's no complex dual-clutch transmission to fail, no fragile turbo 3-cylinder with thermal management problems, and Mazda just made them even more reliable. The company recently removed cylinder deactivation from its engines. Yes, you read that right. While others add complexity, Mazda subtracts it. Cylinder deactivation saves a bit of fuel but adds mechanical complications and potential failure points. Mazda decided the trade-off wasn't worth it. Simpler is better. Simpler lasts longer. Premium with mainstream badge. There's nothing worse than sitting in a vehicle every single day that feels cheap and uninspiring. You spend hundreds of hours per year in your car. It should feel like a place you want to be, not a penalty box you're forced to endure. Step into the 2027 CX-30, and you'll immediately question whether you're really sitting in a vehicle that starts around $25,000. Mazda's approach to luxury has always been unique, and this model continues to punch well above its price point. The cabin doesn't just look premium, it feels premium. Soft touch materials cover the dashboard and door panels. Panel gaps are minimal. The overall build quality rivals what you'd find in entry-level Audis or BMWs, but without the maintenance costs that come with those badges. The premium trim now comes standard with an 8-way power driver's seat, heated front seats, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Move up to the preferred trim, and you get genuine leather upholstery. A power moonroof, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power liftgate all come standard here, too. Then there's the Air Edition. This special trim brings ventilation front seats, wireless charging, and ambient lighting. The color palette is exclusive, combining sophisticated exterior finishes with unique interior treatments. Even the base Select trim doesn't feel stripped down. You still get the 10.2 5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 6-speaker audio system. Mazda hasn't pulled the typical manufacturer trick of making the entry model so bare that nobody actually buys it. This is Mazda's genius. They understand that mainstream buyers want premium experiences but can't justify premium prices, so they deliver the experience at mainstream prices. But all that luxury wouldn't mean much without adequate ride quality. Driving experience unbeatable. Here's where the CX-30 absolutely embarrasses its competition. Most subcompact crossovers drive like appliances. They get you from point A to point B with all the engagement of a dishwasher. The CX-30 is different. Mazda has always prioritized driving dynamics, and this model showcases that commitment better than anything else in the segment. The chassis tuning is exceptional. Body roll is minimal, even during aggressive cornering. The suspension soaks up road imperfections without feeling floaty or disconnected. Think about your typical commute. Same roads, same traffic, same routine every single day. Most crossovers make that experience tedious, but the CX-30 turns even mundane drives into something you actually look forward to. The steering provides actual road feedback. You can feel what the front wheels are doing. It's the kind of steering that used to be common, but is now rare enough to be remarkable. Standard equipment includes a limited slip differential. In this segment, that's almost unheard of. The diff helps put power down efficiently, especially in slippery conditions or when accelerating hard out of corners. G-vectoring control Plus also comes standard. This system subtly adjusts engine torque during cornering to shift weight and improve stability. It works invisibly in the background, making the CX-30 feel more planted and responsive than physics would normally allow. Put it all together, and you get a crossover that drives more like a hot hatch than a family hauler. This is what separates Mazda from the pack. Most manufacturers tune their crossovers for maximum comfort because that's what focus groups say they want. Mazda tunes for driving engagement because they believe cars should be enjoyable to operate. Modern tech features. For years, technology was Mazda's Achilles heel. The infotainment systems were clunky, the screens were small. Features that competitors offered as standard were either unavailable or buried in expensive option packages. The new CX-30 changes that narrative. Most trims now feature a 10.25-inch touchscreen, a significant upgrade from previous models. The display is sharp, responsive, and positioned perfectly within the driver's sightline. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the lineup. We've all been there, fumbling with complicated menus while trying to keep eyes on the road just to change a simple setting. Alexa built-in integration solves this by letting you control smart home devices, check the weather, and access thousands of skills using nothing but your voice. For those already invested in Amazon's ecosystem, this integration is genuinely useful rather than a gimmick. Wireless charging is now available in more trims, not just top models. The same goes for premium audio upgrades. The 12-speaker Bose system in higher trims delivers excellent sound quality for the price point. Safety tech is comprehensive. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert all come standard. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking is included from the base trim up. Higher trims add features like a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and traffic sign recognition. What's impressive is how Mazda integrated all this technology without overwhelming the user. The interface remains intuitive. Physical buttons still control climate and audio functions. You don't need to dig through 3 menus just to adjust the temperature. Still, all these tech features wouldn't mean much without a competitive sticker price, and that's exactly what the 2027 model preserves. Price and launch date. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 is hitting dealerships in the second half of this year. Production is already ramping up to meet expected demand. Pricing will see minor increases over the current model. The base Select trim is about to start around $25,500. That's roughly a $500 bump, easily justified by the added standard equipment and other improvements. Mid-range trims will land between $28,000 and $32,000. These represent the sweet spot of the lineup, offering the best balance of features and value. For around $30,000, you're getting a vehicle that competes with entry-level luxury models in terms of quality and refinement. Top trims with the turbocharged engine will stay under $38,000 even when fully loaded. Compare that to competitors asking similar money for less power, fewer features, and inferior driving dynamics. Here's what makes the pricing strategy smart. Mazda isn't trying to be the cheapest option. They're positioning the CX-30 as the best value, which is a crucial distinction. You pay a bit more than the absolute budget options, but get significantly more vehicle in return. For anyone shopping subcompact crossovers, the math is simple. You can buy something cheaper and deal with mediocre performance and materials. You can buy something more expensive from a luxury brand and pay a premium for a badge. Or you can choose the CX-30 and get premium quality at mainstream pricing with driving dynamics that embarrass vehicles costing twice as much. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 proves that you don't need to accept compromise in the subcompact crossover segment. While competitors force buyers to choose between reliability and technology, or between performance and comfort, Mazda solved all these trade-offs in one package. The proven powertrains deliver genuine performance without complexity. The premium interior rivals luxury brands without the luxury price tag. The driving dynamics make every commute enjoyable rather than tedious. Mazda didn't chase trends or cut corners. They listened to real owner complaints and fixed them methodically. The result is a crossover that does everything well, nothing poorly, and costs less than vehicles that can't match it in any single category. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 has all it takes to dominate the segment, but it's not like there is no competition. If you want to check out what other Japanese automakers have to offer in this class, make sure to check out our video about the 2027 Honda HR-V. It brings important updates that will ensure it remains one of the most rational options in the segment.